So entering my room 502, the one bedroom deluxe loft. Oh my god. Can't take my camera off the wow. So very nice. Okay, with my name. And then the counter area with the welcome drink, the wine, and the lovely elements, and the welcome card from the GM, and some of their homemade chocolate. And again, back on the amazing Oceanfront Villa Loft. I'm going to go out later on. I'm going to walk up first to the loft. Oh, by the way, they have the full kitchen set. So for long stay guests who want to cook, you know, they have, you know, almost everything you need for a couple of days very nicely. And with all the glasses, wow, and all the cutlery. And then the lady just told me that the mini bar is all inclusive. So other than the whiskey or wine, all of these are inclusive for the stay. And only those are to pay for. Okay, so I'm walking up to my bedroom. Okay, so this is the view to wake up for. Wow, isn't that amazing? And then also the bathtub here, you know, that you can take the bath very private because there's no one in front of you, no one can walk in front of you here. You can take a private bath with the serene of the waves and the breeze and everything. So it's really, really great. So this is why I call it a check-in place, following Henry Golden, the main actor for Asian, like Crazy Rich Asians, that he has stayed here before and did a video as well.